Hello friends, my name is Srinivas and I welcome you to my channel Coding Skills. As part of this video, we will learn how we can check whether the given number is valid Sunny number or not. So let's see what exactly a Sunny number means. So for the given number, a number n is said to be a Sunny number if the n plus 1 number is a valid perfect square, then the given number is said to be Sunny number. So let's see how we can implement the same using a simple Java program. So for this program, I only need one import statement, which is a scanner. Instantiated a scanner and mapped it to the input stream. Printed a message on the console, please enter a number. And we are already reading a numeric value and storing it in a integer variable int n equal to sc.nextInt. Here we are performing a basic check. If is Sunny number and we are passing the input value n. If this becomes true, then we are simply saying that the given number is a valid Sunny number. Otherwise, it's not a valid Sunny number. So let's implement the implementation of Sunny number, which is of type static method, and that is going to return Boolean value and is Sunny number and the input value. As I mentioned in the definition, so we need to check the next number of the current number is aligned to the perfect square. Then only we call the current number as Sunny number, right? So that's what we are performing here. If is perfect square, and for that we are passing n plus 1. Whatever you have inputted the value, we need to check the next number is valid perfect square or not. So there is a separate method to check whether the number is aligned to the perfect square or not. For that we are passing the n plus 1. If this is true, and we are simply returning a true, otherwise we are simply returning a false value. And if you look at the implementation of is perfect square method, that is also a static method, and that's going to return a Boolean value is perfect square. The whatever the input value that you're passing here stored in a double variable. So here we are performing the basic computations. Double SR square root equal to math dot square root, and we are passing the input value. This is going to compute the square root value of the given number and store it in a double variable. And here I am printing what is the square root value of the given number and what is the floor of the square root that is computed. So these two I am printing for the reference purpose, so that you can easily understand what is the computed value at runtime. And there is a standard check here. If square root value minus math dot floor of the square root value, if the computation of these values is going to result as 0, then we confirm that as a perfect square. Otherwise, we will not say that it's a perfect square. Let's run this program. I'll enter the 5. So for the value of 5, so what is the square root of the value of the 5? It is 2.44 something. So what is the floor value of the computed value, whatever the SR? That is 2.0. So if you try to subtract both the values, it is not meeting this criteria, right? And this is not a valid Sunny number. Let's try with one more number. See, value for 8 will be, so the square root of the value will be 3.0, and the floor value of the computed value is also 3.0. Hence, we could see that it's a valid Sunny number. Let's try with one more number. 15. See, for the 15, we got 4.0, 4.0. If you subtract both, you'll be getting the 0, right? This also valid Sunny number. Let's try with 16. For the 16, you got the different values which are not going to be meeting this particular criteria. Hence, this is not a valid Sunny number. This is how we can perform the basic check to validate whether the given number is valid Sunny number or not. Please like the video and share it with your friends. In case if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below so that I can make that video as early as possible for you. Thank you very much once again. Thanks for your support. Bye.